Guys, welcome again to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn off the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, if you are a returning subscriber, give a thumbs up to this video to help YouTube boost this video to another viewers like you. Alright, so in today's video we are going to look at how we can max our image into a shape like this. Okay, so we are going to look at how we can from this, how we can transform our image from something like this. Okay, look at the below part here is not inside the circle, so we are going to look at how we can transform something like this to something like this. Okay, whereby we can put our image inside a circle perfectly like this. Alright, so that's what we are going to do in this video, so stick with me to the end so that you will know how to do this, because this will really help you when you want to design a flyer or a flyer or a poster. Okay, so that's what we are going to do in this video, so let us move on. Alright, so if you have any video that you want me to do, a tutorial video you want me to talk about, comment it below in the comment section and I will do a video on that. Alright, so let's move on now. So first of all, I will remove this so we can move on with what we have to do. Okay, so the first step we have to do is to create a shape. To create a shape, you go to the plus button up here. That's the plus button, just tap on it. When you tap on it, you will see a drop down menu like this. So use the shape. Sorry, let me change the color of this so that you can see it. Okay, so the first thing to do, go to the plus button up here, then go to shape. So when I tap on the shape button, automatically what will come out here is a square shape. This is a square shape. The color is white, and the background is white. That is why you cannot see the shape. So if I change the color to something like this, you can see the default shape here is rectangle, is a square. So in case you want to use a square for your own, no problem. If that's what your design request for, no problem. But for this, if you want to use a circle, go below here, just tap on this button here. You can flow with the illustration I'm doing on the screen. So when you tap on that, you tap on the circle here. So select the circle and your shape will be changed to a circle. So among the options here, if you scroll down, look at it. If you scroll down just like this, just scroll down, you will see color here. So here you can change the color of your circle, maybe to black or any other color of your choice. But for this, I'm going to make use of this other pink color. So when you're done selecting your color, you select the good button sign here to remove that. So this is my circle. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to go I'm going to import the image I'll be using. So you go up here to the plus button at the top left corner of your screen. So when you tap on that, among the drop down menu, you will see from gallery. So tap on that, then you pick the image you are going to use. So this is the image I want to make use of. So what you are going to do, when you select image like this, you tap on the good button here. So you just take the good button and the image will be placed. So you can scale up your image or you can scale it down depending on what you want. Okay, as for me, I'm just going to put it like this just to demonstrate this to you. So you can see now my image. Let me change the color of this background so that you can see what we are doing very well. So if you can take a look at this, you can see that my image is crossing my circle. So this is where the tricks is. Okay, so pay attention to this and give a thumbs up to this video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to support me. Okay, so what we are going to do now, tap on your image. This is your image layer. So go to the bottom here, tap on this place, just tap on that. So when you tap on that, you see option to control, that will control the image. So when you tap on that, scroll to your right. So here you will see opacity. So we are going to tap on the opacity. When you tap on the opacity, you can reduce the opacity this way using the slider here. So if I slide it down, you can see the opacity of the image is reducing. So I'm just going to reduce the opacity like this so that I can see the circle image at the background. So when I'm done, I will tap on the good button sign there. So I'll scroll to the right again. So here we can see marks. So we are going to max our image inside the circle. Okay, so just tap on the marks. So when you tap on this marks, okay, when you tap on this marks, you draw this side down. This is the draw this anchor point down, and also draw this other anchor point down. So I'm just going to long press on this, bring it down, long press on this, bring it down. So I want to have two anchor points left. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, so for the first one, I'm just going to tap on it, bring it to the right hand side. Tap on the second one, bring it to the left hand side. So what I'm going to do here, so if you tap on this anchor point, if you just tap on it, you will see these arrows controlling the direction of this point. So just tap on that, then tap on the arrow, long press on it, then drag it to create a form of a circle, okay, a rounded corner. So now tap on the second one. This is the second one. So when you tap on that, the point controller will come out. So long press on it, drag it to the point. So we are just going to create a curve path here. So do this until you have a very good curve path. Okay, so when you are done, if you have a very good curve path, when you are done, we are going to tap on this to enable what you have just done. So when you enable it, you can see that the other side is gone. Okay, if you are not satisfied with it, you can refine it to your own taste. Okay, then when you're done, you tap on the good button sign here. Okay, so that's just as simple as that. So now we are going to bring back the opacity of our image to 100. So bring it back to 100 and we are done. So I can change the background color now. Okay, so I can make it white. All right, so we are set with that. Okay, so you can just refine, you can keep on refining your bottom side until it fits the shape of the circle. So when you're done with this, you go up here. This is the layer panel. So when you tap on the layer panel, you can see all your layers here. This is the image and the shape layer. So what we are going to do is to merge the two layers. So to merge the two layers, tap on this button, this icon here. So when you tap on that, it will give you option to merge these two layers. So you select the two layers, tapping on this square shape, just select them. So when you're done selecting them, there is a OK button here. Tap on the OK button and the layers will be okay. When you're done selecting them, tap on the merge bot icon here. So when you tap on that, they will ask you to confirm it. Okay, so then tap on OK. All right, so this is how to merge. So now you can scale it down and scale it up the way you want. So this is how to let's say to max an image inside a shape. So we are at the end of this video now. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel to help me grow. I'll see you in the next video.